Gay-Lussac's law, right up at the top. P1 over T1 equals P2 over T2. Remember, temperature's always got to be in Kelvin. We're going to do number 9 together. So gas collected when the temperature is 27.0 degrees Celsius, given, underline it, and a pressure of 600 millimeters of mercury, underline it, given, is heated in a steel tank to 100 degrees Celsius. Calculate the pressure in the tank. So we're trying to solve for a pressure. So we know we're going to use P1 T1, P2 T2. So catalog what we know. P1 T1 equals. Remember, what we started at is P1 and T1. So that's right here in the beginning. These are paired up, right? Collected is 27.0 degrees Celsius. Pressure 600 millimeters of mercury. Is heated to, so there's your change. So when we're doing P2 and T2, my temperature changed to 100 degrees Celsius. Calculate the pressure. That's what we're solving for. So plug in your numbers into your equation right here. So P1, we're going to plug 600 millimeters of mercury at the top over T1, 27 degrees Celsius. But remember, before we plug that in, we got to convert to Kelvin. So I'm going to add 273 and get 300 Kelvin. So we're going to plug that in down here. 300 Kelvin on the bottom equals P2 is my X, or what I'm solving for. So I'm going to leave that blank. And then on the bottom, 100 degrees Celsius. But again, convert to Kelvin. So we get 373 Kelvin. And just like the other one, you're going to cross multiply. Anytime you got a fraction, that's a good idea. Cross multiply here, cross multiply here. When I do that, I get 300 times P2, 300 Kelvin times P2 equals, here's my other one, 600 millimeters of mercury times 373 Kelvin. And then I'm just going to solve for P2. So divide by 300 Kelvin. That gets rid of it. Divide this side. And there's your answer. P2 equals 600. So you got 600 times 373 divided by 300. We get 746 as our answer. So P2 equals. And then what's our unit? We'll look at what cancels. Kelvin cancels out. We're left with that. Millimeters of mercury. So there's your answer. Alright, so try this next one on your own. You guys should be able to answer this top question too using the notes or the PowerPoint slide that's on there. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.